this lesson, we're going to talk about how to change the different forms of your quadratic. Standard to vertex and vertex to standard. Write these down. This is what you're going to do for converting from vertex to standard form. Down at the bottom of the screen, you'll see in blue what vertex form looks like. That's what the problem's going to come to you as. Write this example down. The first thing we're going to do is distribute out the x minus 1 times x minus 1. You're going to have 4 terms when you do that. Don't forget to bring down the plus 8. You'll see that I've changed the color of it so that it emphasizes that you need to bring that down. Now combine your like terms and don't forget to put f of x out front. Write this down, example 2. Again, we're going to convert this vertex form to standard form. This one has an a value of 2, so I'm going to use brackets around my x plus 3 times x plus 3. We're only going to distribute out the x plus 3 first. Notice to bring down that minus 5. Now it's time for you to distribute the 2. The 2 only goes to the 4 terms on the inside of the parentheses. The 2 does not go and get multiplied to the negative 5. Combine your like terms and write it in standard form. Don't forget to put the f of x out front. Write these down. This is from converting standard form to vertex form. We're always going to have everything on one side of our equal sign. For these problems that I'm showing you today, it'll say f of x equals. I want you to identify your a, b, and c values. Next up, I want you to find your h value. To find h, you're going to take the opposite of b and divide it by 2 times a. Using your TI-36X Pro, we're going to do a table, edit function, and start at the h value you just found. This gives you your k value. Remember, this is also called the vertex. Now go and get a from the original problem. Yep, you just go and take it from the problem. We call it stealing it. And then substitute in your a, h, and k. Let's take a look at 2 examples. Write this example down. Identify your a, b, and c value. The first thing we're going to do is find our h, which is negative b over 2 times a. Now we've got our h value. So using your calculator, go table, edit function, and start your value at negative 4. Step at 1. And it tells us that k is 0. Now go and get the a value. You just go over there and grab it. Now substitute in a, h, and k to write your equation. Now that k is 0. When you plug it in, there's no value there, so we won't leave it as a plus 0 at the end. Write down this example. Let's find your a, b, and c value. The first thing we're going to do is find h. Now do a table, edit function, and start it at 1. And you'll see that your k value is 2. Remember, hk is your vertex. Now go and steal the a value. Just go and grab it. Now plug in your a, h, and k values. Be careful when you plug in that h. Remember, it's tricky. It changes its sign.